I'm here with Steve Stack from Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods. Always a pleasure to see you.
Oh, same here, same here. We're going to give 3 examples of crown molding. Standby technique, 45 miters, 22.5 degree miters, inside corners, outside corners. It can be done that way.
Okay.
Step it up a little bit, and on your inside corners you go to the same method we used on our baseboard, a coping saw method, where it ensures a little bit of out of square, a little bit of movement. That cope joint is going to help conceal that and move with it. And then really a lot of wow factor. With today's saws being very accurate, we can do a standard 45 miter. Okay. And like I say, as long as the house is fairly square and you can get that corner to fit like that, you're okay. But if it's out of square a little bit, you might see some gapping. So that's when we go to the coped piece.
Okay.
So to show, I cut this on a 45 degree angle, okay? This particular crown molding, you can cut it upside down in the miter saw and on the 45, okay? And it'll achieve the angle that we need for it to fit onto the wall properly. So in doing that cut, then I come around with a little coping saw.
Yes.
Okay.
And how does the coping saw work?
Well, it exposes this profile line when you make the 45 cut, and you have to follow that profile line and by sawing, and you can see how this is really relief cut.
Yeah.
That gives room, so when it marries to the profile, there's
tighter fit.
And there's room back there for that front to close up.
I see,
nice.
okay.
Let's go up here. And I'll hold that if you want to hit a couple nails in there. Our coped piece. There,
Okay.
go right there.
Oh, your fingers are close.
Yep, you're good. A couple of them.
All right, yeah.
Again.
Oh gosh, where should I do it? Just,
Yep.
all right. Okay.
Okay.
Oh, that looks beautiful.
And then we're going to come out here. And you want to give me one right there?
Yeah.
If I hold this up,
Wait, do you want me to
can
hold
you
it?
reach? That's perfect.
All right.
Oh, there you go, sir.
Okay. I'm going to give you the gun back.
Alrighty.
And again, we're going to nail from this side.
Okay.
And then from this side.
All right.
I'll get this one.
Oh, you got it?
Yep.
Okay.
Okay, with any luck,
It'll fit.
I'm going to go ahead and pin this Nicole.
Alrighty.
We're just a little awkward there.
Yeah.
And you're going to do the finale. That is just a self-miter return.
Okay.
Common in crown moldings, baseboards, chair rails, and you just take the molding and return it to the wall within itself.
Okay, so if someone's watching and saying, you know what, I think I can do this, I'm a little nervous, but I feel confident enough to talk to my friends at Baird Brothers Fine Hardwoods, what other information do they need to bring when they talk to someone at Baird?
If you're talking about crown molding, baseboard, just room dimensions, take into account when selecting a crown molding, the room size, the ceiling height.
Yeah.
Visit bairdbrothers.com, go to our custom moldings, click on the crown section. We have hundreds of profiles that we've done over the years.
Well, I've learned a ton, but I think I need to practice the nail gun.
You get better at it.
I'll do better next time, Steve.
That's a deal.